In this first example, I'll show you how to use masking to hide text behind an object, like a person walking, and you can see the text behind them. In another example, I'm going to show you how to easily edit out an object from your video. So we're going to use this clip to show the person is walking and the text is behind them as they're walking through the clip. So I'm going to hit the text tool and come up here to my clip, and I'm going to type in the word sunset, and I can either use my effects control or my essential graphics to change the color of the text. We can make it, say, an orange color and say OK, increase the size, position it where we want on the screen, say somewhere like this, and we could have changed the font and done anything else with the text. I'm going to move my text layer up, and I'm going to make it the same size as my clip. Now I'm going to select my clip, hold down the Alt or Option, and I'm going to drag my clip one layer above. Next, I want to position the playhead right before the person starts to walk across my text. Now I'm going to select my top clip and go over to my effects control, and I'm going to choose the pen tool, and I'm going to draw a mask around the person and only focus on the part of the body that touches the text. And you might want to zoom in. At this point, I've zoomed in to 150%. So I'll start my mask, and you can go as carefully as you possibly can. Draw this mask in and get it fairly nice. And something like this. And now in my effects control, I'm going to click on the toggle animation for the mask path, and that enables the keyframes. And on my clip, I'm going to say Command K, and now I'm going to remove the section before the person enters the text. Now you can use the mask path tracking and let Premiere Pro do it, the whole thing automatically, but if you don't do that and just move your playhead right before the person goes into the letter, you're going to have fewer keyframes that you'll need to adjust your mask. So move the playhead, say to right about there. Now I'm going to move the mask. I'll hold down the Shift and move this over, and you can adjust it here, see if there's any other points on the mask that you want to move. And so that's made 2 keyframes you can see over here. I'm going to move the playhead, and I'm going to repeat this process until I'm all the way at the end of the last letter. I'll hold it on the Shift, and I'm adjusting the mask. And then the last one, I'm just going to move the playhead until the person is on the other side of the text, and I'll just move my mask there. Don't really need to worry about it. And then at that point, I'm going to say Command K and delete the rest of the clip. The last thing I need to do is drag the top video layer with all the keyframes above my text layer. And this is how it looks. I have it loop here. And you can go back in and refine that mask for each of those keyframes. But this is the idea. The text is behind the person that is walking through the video. If you're getting value so far, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I appreciate it. Now I'm going to show you how to easily edit out an object from your video. First, duplicate your clip on the timeline. Hold down your Option key and drag up. So now find an area of the clip to cover the object that matches the background or any other surrounding elements in your video. With this top clip selected, and I'm going to come over to my effects control. I'm going to get the pen tool, and I'm going to make a shape that is big enough to cover the object or the person that I want to remove. I don't have to worry too much about background elements because this is all water. And up here in my effects control, under motion, I'm going to position my mask over my subject that I want to mask out. I'm going to increase the mask feather so that that clip blends in a lot better. And now with both clips selected, I'm going to right click and say nest. I'll give it a name and say OK. And now your object has been edited out of your clip. Very simple masking. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on Premiere Pro. Remember, it's never too late to learn. Thanks for watching.